Hi guys, so I'm Vince Tanching. I'm a Nikon partner photographer and I shoot urban landscape photography. So I'm here today to share with you some of my thoughts and tips and tricks on how I do my urban landscape photos. So one of the cameras that I can highly suggest to a beginner who's looking to shooting low light photography is the camera that I personally use. It's a Nikon D5600. It's a very lightweight and very capable camera that you can use to shoot very low light photos. So it has a very good high ISO performance. So its range is from ISO 100 to 25,600, and the photos that you can take on the higher ISO range from around 6,400 and up, the photos that you take are still very clean and very usable when you post it online or do your shooting for commercial work. So one of the equipment that I usually take with me when I do shoot my cityscape photos, and it's one of the more important aspects of my photography, is I do always bring my tripod with me. So it helps me stabilize my photos, especially when I do shoot my long exposure. So the kit that I usually have with me is my DSLR, my ultra wide angle lens, which is usually a 10 to 24 millimeter lens, my tripod, and various filters such as a neutral density, a graduated neutral density, and a CPL or a polarizing filter. One of the places where I really can suggest when you do cityscape photography in Metro Manila is in Bonifacio Global City. It has been said that that place is very friendly towards photographers, and they let you exercise your creative freedom when you go shooting around BGC. You're able to shoot from low angles in various buildings and also atop various structures where you can really shoot and be able to capture the beauty of the city when the lights turn low or the sun sets. One of the best tips that I can give photographers who are into shooting night photography is that they should always bring their tripod with them. Tripods not only stabilize their shots, but also help them with their composition when shooting low light photos. They should also ensure that their cameras, when shooting low light photos, are set on the lowest ISO possible for the cleanest images that they can take when shooting long exposures. So I hope that you learned a lot of things with our session today, and I hope that you can take these tips with you also when you go shooting.